Hi friends, Cindy here. I'm working on a little USA banner for my front porch, and I needed to make 50 stars that lined up together. So super easy, got my Silhouette machine hooked up to my computer, and you can see that I'm working on, actually this is called weeding, when you remove a shape that you cut out. This little hook, let's see if I can show you. I know that Silhouette and Cricut both sell these, and it's sharp, but it's not gonna like stab you. But what it does is it will grab onto, you can just see how easily I'm able to remove these paper stars. And you don't even need to remove each one at a time. One thing that I like to do to save on vinyl when I'm doing a project like this where I'm only going to be stenciling at one time is I will just use some cardstock that I have in my stash that I don't really like anymore. So that's what I've done, and I'm just about finished here. I'm going to show you more of the project in just a minute.